Hello, good evening, Dr. M again. So, not all coughs start with flu. If you have a dry, persistent cough for, say, over a week and doesn't come with fever or mucus, it could be a sign of allergy-induced asthma. Yeah, it could be an acid reflux kind of cough or induced cough. Acid reflux, I mean, like some people who have ulcers. When you sleep, some mucus or some acid kind of moves from the stomach to the throat, and it can induce you to cough continuously. Yeah, persistent coughs also can be a sign of early TB. Yeah, so you need to watch out and get checked. Okay. Persistent cough over a week can be also chronic kind of inflammation within the lungs. Okay, maybe induced by smoke, dust. Okay, yeah. So please, just watch out those kind of coughs, and obviously, I can't forget this. Clinella Linctus can help you to relieve these kind of coughs. But if you start getting fevers, okay, if you start getting loss of appetite, if you guys start getting chest pains, all right, some difficulty in breathing, run to the hospital very fast, all right? Yeah, so watch out those signs and symptoms, and watch out for those persistent coughs for every week. Yeah, it could be something else, all right? So don't wait for that cough to get worse. Get Clinella Linctus. You'll save a lot. Alright? You'll save that money. That doctor will not eat that money. Yeah, so look out for Clinella Linctus in all our pharmacies. Your nearby pharmacy or drug shop, ask for them, Clinella Linctus. Okay, I wish you a blessed evening, and take care of yourselves. Okay, watch what you eat, do exercises, and feel fit. Okay, every day, and minimize alcohol and smoking. God bless you. See you soon.